The Thailand-Cambodia border crisis. Past and present collide. The Thailand-Cambodia border crisis stretches deep into the colonial past. Tensions have simmered for decades, especially around the ancient temples scattered along the border. One temple in particular has long been a major point of contention between the two countries. As tensions flare once more, both militaries revert to familiar strategies. Cambodia deploys its well-known BM-21 Grad rocket launchers, while Thailand counters with F-16 fighter jets. In this video, we'll examine how the F-16 launches its missiles and walk through the basic process of firing the BM-21 Grad rocket launcher. Two powerful systems shaping this modern conflict. Historical roots. A colonial legacy. The roots of the Thailand-Cambodia border crisis stretch back to the early 1900s, when Franco-Siamese treaties left boundaries ill-defined and ripe for dispute. Tensions simmered for decades, particularly around the ancient temples dotting the region. Among them, Prasit Tam Yun Tam and the area surrounding Priya Vihir became focal points for competing national claims, bearing not just strategic value, but cultural and historical pride. May 28, 2025. The fragile calm shattered. As 2025 began, a sense of unease hovered over the border. On May 28, the fragile calm shattered. Gunfire erupted at the Emerald Triangle, where Thai and Cambodian soldiers exchanged shots. One Cambodian soldier lost his life. Accusations flew immediately, with both sides blaming each other for the incident. By June 7th, tensions escalated further. Thailand reinforced its border positions while accusing Cambodian forces, and even civilians, of deliberate provocation. Escalation through June and July. Throughout June and July, the region grew increasingly volatile. Minor clashes flared. Border crossings were shut down. Civilian movement became tightly restricted. Military alerts were raised on both sides. War was in the air. July 24, 2025. Drones, rockets, and airstrikes. On July 24th, just before dawn, Thai troops reported Cambodian drones buzzing near Prasit Tam Yun Tam. Shortly after, a Cambodian patrol of 6 armed soldiers appeared near a Thai base. At 6:30 a.m., gunfire erupted again. Chaos followed. Cambodia accused Thailand of launching an unprovoked attack, while Thailand claimed Cambodian troops had fired first. By 9:40 a.m., Thai forces reported a salvo of BM-21 rockets launched from Cambodian positions, landing near Prasit Dan Tuan and threatening civilian areas. 10 minutes later, fighting erupted again near Ta Kwai Temple. At 10:58 a.m., the border ignited fully. F-16 fighter jets from the Royal Thai Air Force soared overhead, bombing Cambodian military positions at Chong Ma. Thai officials claimed several key command posts were destroyed. Full-scale conflict unleashed. The fighting quickly sprawled across several kilometers of contested terrain. Artillery thundered. Rockets exploded. Both armies unleashed heavy weaponry, transforming the border into a battlefield. Authorities in nearby provinces ordered evacuations. Civilians fled as the violence escalated. Thailand placed 6 F-16s on standby, anticipating further escalation. The Thai military stated that airstrikes were conducted with precision, targeting only military positions believed to be responsible for BM-21 rocket and artillery attacks into Thai territory. F-16s provided essential air cover as Thai armored convoys, including tanks and infantry fighting vehicles, advanced toward contested areas. The strikes disrupted Cambodian artillery sites and rocket launchers, reducing the volume and accuracy of enemy fire. This allowed Thai armor to move more freely through previously exposed areas. The BM-21 Grad, Cambodia's rocket of choice. On July 24, Cambodia launched a barrage of BM-21 Grad rockets into Thailand. The initial salvo hit a border development center in Kapoin district, according to Thai sources. In the following days, Cambodian forces continued using BM-21 rocket systems alongside heavy artillery. These rocket barrages, fired ahead of tank formations, disrupted Thai defenses and coordination. The heavy suppressive fire made it difficult for Thai troops to mount ambushes or deploy effective minefields. The resulting smoke and noise concealed Cambodian tank movements. Why Cambodia still uses the BM-21 Grad? Why use a Soviet-era system like the BM-21 Grad in modern warfare? 1. Mass production and simplicity. The system is cheap, simple, and easy to operate. Each rocket costs about $2,000, far cheaper than modern guided alternatives. 2. Shoot and scoot tactics. Its ability to quickly fire and relocate still works effectively on the battlefield. 3. High firepower. The BM-21 can unleash 40 rockets in just 20 seconds, covering a lethal area of 36 hectares. Its psychological impact alone is significant. BM-21 Grad. How it works. The BM-21 Grad is mounted on a 6-wheeled Ural 375D truck. On its rear is the rocket launcher with 40 tubes. A PG-1M panoramic periscope helps aim the system. It uses a manual elevation and rotation mechanism to target rockets accurately. The common rocket is the 9M22U, featuring a fuse, a 26 kilograms warhead, a solid fuel rocket motor, stabilizing fins. Though unguided, the rocket has a range of 5 to 20 kilometers, depending on the variant. Step by step. Firing the BM-21. 1. Forward observer FO spots the target, often via drone. 2. Fire Direction Center FDC calculates the data and sends coordinates to the crew. 3. The crew uses the periscope to aim. 4. Rockets are fired from inside the truck or remotely by cable. 5. Observers confirm hits and call for adjustments. Thailand's air superiority. The F-16 Fighting Falcon. The F-16 is a multi-role jet fighter with powerful weapon systems. Let's break them into 3 categories. 1. Air-to-air missiles. OAIM-9 Sidewinder. Short-range infrared-guided missile. OAIM-120 AMRAAM. Medium-range radar-guided missile. 2. Air-to-surface missiles. OAGM-65 Maverick. Targets tanks and moving vehicles. 3. Guided bombs. OGBU-39. A small GPS/laser-guided bomb. It deploys wings mid-air to steer toward the target. How the F-16 fires the AIM-120 missile. 1. Turn on master arm. 2. Select air-to-air mode. 3. Choose AIM-120 AMRAAM. 4. Lock the target. 5. Press the release button. 6. Jet stays on course for 4 seconds until the missile goes pitbull, goes autonomous. 7. Press the trigger to fire the M61 Vulcan cannon, a 6,000 rounds per minute gun with a range of 600 meters. Conclusion: a modern conflict rooted in the past. This border conflict is not just about land. It's a collision of history, strategy, and pride. With advanced air power on one side and time-tested artillery on the other, the battlefield is both high-tech and deeply human. As both nations prepare for what comes next, one question remains. Will diplomacy prevail, or will history repeat itself once again?